Administrators, faculty, and staff have been working tirelessly to design and refine a robust educational experience grounded in a commitment to the social-emotional well-being of all members of our community. Our goal is to create predictable and flexible learning models where safety, connection, and meaningful engagement guide our program and decision-making. We have narrowed down 5 key areas of focus as we lean into the next school year: safety, grounding, connection, engagement, and sustainability. This series will focus on helping us all feel grounded and prepared for the growth, joys, and challenges that lie ahead. You might wonder, what is grounding? Grounding is a way for us to connect with our environment. We can do things and create systems that can help us feel more organized and more connected with what's around us. Grounding is an effective way to calm anxiety and help manage life's daily tasks. Organizational systems and routines help the brain recognize where you are and what you should be doing at any given time. Connection and order creates a sense of comfort and helps your mind and body feel more in control of any given situation. In this 4-part series, we're going to share some strategies that will hopefully be helpful to all of us. The first video is all about helping us get prepared. While we're still in this distance learning format, we could all benefit from some tips and tricks. The second video will be talking about the balance between environmental warmth and control. We'll be talking about routines, managing behavior, the needs of children at different developmental stages, and the importance of connection. The third video will be all about self-care, things that we can do to help us stay grounded and stay connected with ourselves, so we are in a good position to care for others. And the fourth video will be a tutorial on mindfulness and the many benefits associated with mindfulness. Mindfulness is one of many techniques that can help all of us stay grounded in times of transition and stress. We understand this is a very unique time that we're all living in, and we appreciate your partnership with us. Our shared values, insight, patience, and compassion will help all of us work together and keep the best interest of all of the children in our community at heart.